Welcome back. So just want to tune you in and show you how I zone in and cut off all of the distractions and just focus on a task at hand, and that's making 50 handles. And these two usually takes me around 5 minutes or so, and this blank is around 25 mil, so a little less than 1 inch, maybe 24 mil, something like that. So I put it in this end into the chuck, and this end I just eyeball it, so I'm watching from this side, make to center, then rotate it 90 and find the center again, rotate it back, and that's it. Tighten up and tighten up the chuck. And let's make some noise. This usually takes me around 5 minutes, so to do 2 of them. So I'm taking the biggest diameter I could get. Peeling cuts just to finish here at the chuck. Now here I'm smooth, or actually I'm close to smooth, just a little bit more. So here at this smooth part, I flip the skew upside down so the long point is down, and I find the cut, so that's here. And drop the handle at the end, and that's it. That's close to cylinder. Now I need tenon length, and I have a little jig here, parting tool. That's it. I like to undercut the shoulder of the tenon here. Like so. I need total length of the handle, and I set it in by parting off here, close to 1/3 of the diameter. Then I need another tenon length. This will scream a bit because I parted here, but it's good enough for this job. Now while I'm here, I just nick the corners here so they go easily into the mortise. Again, total length of the handle. Now the next part is done pretty much by eye, so I reduce this diameter by 2 mil roughly, and then I do the cove with the skew. Nice, smooth, clean cut. And just clean this part as well. Like so. The next handle. Okay. And here I have to go against the grain a bit, but if I take a light cut it should be fine. And before sanding, just reduce this diameter. I'll cut these after. So sanding. That was 180, this is 240. And that's it. Before I take it off with the 240, just take a few passes with the grain, so any little scratch will be in the grain orientation. So that's it. And to the others.